If you have problems with your drip irrigation systems, pivot systems because of scaling in the piping, rust corrosion and started to experience clogging in the pipe lines and your plants are receiving less water that is full of sediment, then we would like you to take into consideration our water filter systems. Our self-cleaning water filters unique because it filtrates and makes live structured water naturally without any kind of chemical interactions or electrical currents by using silver amber rhinestone and multipolar magnetic fields. The basis of this complex is the nano-silver membrane filter element. It works on a fundamentally new basis, without any replaceable cartridges. The water filters are self-cleaning and structural features. A mirror filter element allows it to effectively self-clean, ensuring reliable trouble-free operation for 10 years guaranteed. We have various modifications of water filters, for household, agriculture, irrigation, municipal, industrial and various commercial uses. The performance capacity is from 1,000 liters per hour up to a maximum of 3,000 liters per hour for industrial use. What makes Ceres self-cleaning nano water filters special and how do they work? Ceres water filters operate opposite of anything else. Water goes first into the filter around the stainless steel spiral micro wire, where only 0.8 to 1 micron or less can penetrate through the ultra-thin micro wire. The stainless steel shell of the cartridge is covered in nano-silver particles for water disinfection. On the shell of the filter cartridge is a special stainless steel spiral micro wire that is wounded around the frame multiple times. The stainless steel spiral micro wire is thinner than a human hair. The distance between the micro wire pores are 0.2 to 0.3 micron. Water that enters the filter under pressure passes through between the spiral micro wire pores and impurities does not pass and get flushed out by the drain valve. The self-auto oscillations in the spiral micro wire arise from hydrodynamic processes in turbulent vortex flow. Due to the vortex vibration of the spiral micro wire, impurities cannot stick to the filter element and drop down vertically for flushing. Once pure water passes into the filter cartridge, it passes a multipolar magnetic unit that is mixed with amber and rhinestone crystals for structured H3O2 live water with perfect balanced pH. Impurities accumulate at the bottom of the flask. Flushing of the filter can be done manually or with electric auto flushing device. Feel free to contact us by phone or email anytime to discuss your current water problems so we can tailor a custom solution for you.